today we'll talk about how can you enable last price line on your Webull app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on money down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings, you just click here on settings. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on chart settings, you just click on it here. You come to next step, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. You come here to correct actions display. You just click on it here. You come to next, sorry, we will go back. Sorry, you click here on line access here. You click here on line access. You come here to last price line. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here last price line, it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like